Here's how you can use Dola AI application. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. So without further delay, let's get started. If you already have Dola AI app installed to your device and that you also have an account, you could use various features that's available in the app. You could see at the very bottom there is a message bar. You could go ahead and type in a message. Once you're done typing in the message, hit the arrow button. If you scroll down a bit, you could see the response as well. Now, at the very top, you have these voice icon. You could also enable auto speech on. If you also go ahead and look at the bottom, there are also a lot of tabs like fast, homework, AI creation, edit image, writing, translation, all that. You could also use the Dola AI application with your homework help. You could tap on it. You could go ahead and take a picture of your homework. You have these AI creation. You could tap on it. You could add a reference image and accordingly, it's going to go ahead and give you the image that you want. If you swipe towards your left, you could also see edit image. If you have any sort of image that you like to edit, you could go ahead and select add in a description or the message and hit the arrow button. Similarly, it's also going to help you with the writing, then translation. It's also going to help you with reading a file. If you want to read a web page that's very long or quite lengthy, you could enter in the link. Once you enter in the link, it's going to give you in a shorter summary version. Moving on, you could also see the menu at the very top left corner of the screen. You could tap on it, and at the bottom, you could see the gear icon. You could go to that. And here you have various options as well in the settings page. If you go to the voice section, you could go ahead and change the voice accordingly as well. First thing, you have these recommended. You could go with any of these features available. You could go to the female voice as well as male. And if you want to go ahead and select it, so all you need is tap on the particular voice and select use at the very top right corner of the screen. There is another feature that is Create Voice. You could also add in your own voice by tapping on Create Voice. After which, you could also go ahead and change the text size and theme if you want to. So these are some of the basic ways to use Dola AI application on your device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.